project management includes the process from project initiation up to project handover. This will include the following steps: initiating a project, registering a project, creating WBS lines on it, creating a schedule with a critical path to determine critical elements, cost control, funds approval, and ultimately going out to tender on the procurement phase. This will be followed with the execution phase and ultimately project closeout. Construction management, on the other hand, is the hands-on management of the contractors on site. This will include the services of scheduling, tracking, cost control, quality assurance, and ultimately project closeout and commissioning.